Welcome to How to Make a Video Call with FaceTime. FaceTime lets people make video calls and voice calls to each other using their Apple devices. In this video, Jaina and Sandy will enjoy a video call with each other using FaceTime. It's been so long since they've been able to catch up in person. FaceTime comes already installed on iPhones, iPads and Apple computers and works in a similar way on them all. It can also be downloaded for free from the App Store. All video calls need the internet, but instead of using mobile data, the friends will use their home Wi-Fi. This means they can chat for as long as they like and not worry about using up their mobile data allowance. To get started, Jaina locates the FaceTime icon on her iPad's home screen. It looks like a white camera in a green square. She taps on it, and the app opens. The iPad's front camera automatically turns on, and she can see herself on the screen. The app also displays a list of contacts with whom Jaina has recently shared a FaceTime call. Jaina could tap on any of these contacts to FaceTime call them again, but she hasn't spoken to Sandy on FaceTime recently, so she's not on this list. To find Sandy in her FaceTime contacts list, Jaina taps the plus icon on the top right of the recent calls list to start a new FaceTime call. The keyboard automatically appears and she starts typing her friend's name. When she sees Sandy's contact details appear, she taps them. If Sandy wasn't saved in Jaina's contacts list, she could just type her friend's mobile phone number here to call her. Now that she's entered Sandy's contact details, two buttons appear: Audio and Video. Tapping Audio will call Sandy as a voice-only call, without video. But Jaina wants to see and hear her friend, so she taps on Video. When Sandy receives Jaina's call on her iPhone, the front camera switches on and she can see herself. If she had an Android phone or tablet, the call would not work. When her iPhone rings, it sounds just like an ordinary phone call, but the screen lets her know that Jaina is calling via FaceTime video. Just like any other call, Sandy can choose to decline or accept the call. Of course, she enthusiastically accepts. Jaina appears on Sandy's phone, and Sandy appears on Jaina's iPad. While the friends catch up, let's look at some of the controls in FaceTime. Flip switches the view from the front camera to the rear camera and vice versa. Sandy presses Flip to change to her iPhone's rear camera. To show her friend the view from her garden, she presses Flip once more to return to her iPhone's front camera, so Jaina can see her friend once more. A noisy plane passes overhead, so Jaina presses Mute to turn off her iPad's microphone. Sandy can no longer hear any sound from Jaina's iPad. Once the plane has passed, Jaina presses Mute again to allow her friend to hear her once more. When they're done, Jaina presses End to hang up the call. These old friends have recharged with a long overdue catch-up thanks to FaceTime.